Hi children, good morning. How are you? I hope that you are fine. So, welcome back to our session. What is the topic it's going on? About the electric circuits. Is it? Electricity and circuits. So, in the last class, we have known about the positive terminals and also the negative terminals for a cell. So, each battery or a cell, it is having the two terminals. One is the positive and another one is the negative. And today's class and today's topic is about the electric switch. Do you know about that? Yes. For what purpose will you use, children, that electric switch? If you want to keep the charger for the mobile, so you are going to connect the charger to the mobile and immediately you are going to switch on. If it is filled, the battery is full, once again you are going to switch off. I am feeling very hot. What I have to do? I have to switch on the fan. If I want the light, I want to switch on the switch on. So the bulb will be glowing. So for each and everything, if you on the switch, the devices it is going to work. If you switch off, the devices it is going to stop. Is it? So for that purpose, we are going to use the switches. In all the homes, we are having, for each and every device, we are having the switches, and also the main switch also will be you are having. Is it? Then let me see. What do you mean by the electric switch? Electric switch device for opening and closing electrical circuits under normal load conditions, usually operated manually. Electric switches are used to perform all electric functions. So, these electric switches are used to perform the all type of the electric functions. So, here is a simple diagram. That means here two terminals are there. That is, one will be the positive and one will be the negative. And this is the battery. That is nothing but a cell. This is the cell. And this is the bulb. And this is switch. So here what I have taken means two nails I have taken and I have kept to one wooden plank. For that nail I have wounded the copper wire. So one side copper wire is given the connection to the bulb and another side for the nail I have given connect to the battery and battery positive for the negative I have given and for the positive another side I have given the connect to the bulb. Now here what happened? For this I have taken the pin. It is nothing but for the clocks which we are using the safety pin. Now it is open. If it is open means the bulb is not going to glow because the electric circuit it has cutted. If I want to join, I can join this pin towards coming like this. If I join this pin, now what it has happened? The two terminals it has connected. Then the electricity will be flowing through that and the bulb will be glowing. So this is the work done by the electric switch. On and also as well as off. Both the work will be done by the electric switch. Okay. And next let me talk about the torchlight. What is that? Torchlight. Have you seen that torchlight, children? For what purpose we use the torchlight? Yeah, 9 times. If power gone means we are going to use the torchlight. So I can show you the picture of the torchlight. You have seen. That means outside you have seen. What about the inside? Inside also it will be having the two cells and switch also is there and front side we are having the bulb. If the switch is on, the bulb is going to glow. That means the wires should be connected to the positive and negative and the two cells also will be attached. Then only the electricity will flow. When you switch on, the bulb will be glowing. If you switch off, then the wire will be disconnected. Then the torch will not be glowing. Is it? So for this, the working of the torchlight, I can show you a small video. You can see and you can understand how this torchlight is going to work. Is it? Yes. Carry on, children. So by this I can end up today's session, and you can see the simple circuits also. I'll show you through a small picture. So I'm going to explain about the torchlight also. Watch that. Okay. Thank you very much. Here you can see the small electric circuit with a switch. So this is the battery. The pink color is connected to the bulb, that is the negative, and green color is connected to the switch, and if the switch is on, the bulb is going to glow. So here is also another circuit. So here also you can see the switch. Now the switch is in on position. For the battery, negative and positive. When it is in the on position, you can see that the bulb is going to glow. Another circuit. So here also the switch is there. One is given connection to the minus and positive is given to the bulb, and another side the switch is given to the connected to the bulb. So this is about the electric switch. Next, let me see the electric torch. This is the diagram of electric torch. Bulb, reflector, plastic casing, slide switch, electric cells. So this is about our bulb. Then you can see the working of a electric torch. Torch consists of a hollow cylindrical barrel in which cells are fitted. At one end of it there is a lid with screw which can be opened and closed. When the lid is closed and the switch is on, the circuit is completed. When the circuit is closed, then the current starts to flow in the circuit. This flows of current makes the bulb glow. So here the two electric cells are there. The slide switch is there. If the switch we are going to push it front, then the bulb is going to glow. So here for the torch light also we can see the slide switch. By using of that switch we can take on and off. Is it? Yes.
Do you know how a torch works? Let us study. We have studied the electric cell, torch, bulb, and a simple switch. A torch uses these components. Here we can see that the torch consists of electric cells, a torch bulb, wires, switch, and a reflector. The terminals of the cell are connected to the bulb with the help of a thick wire. But the wire is broken in the middle. We know that when the wire not continually connected, then bulb doesn't glow. Slide the switch and observe. We can see that the bulb glows as the disconnected wire is now connected with the sliding switch, and it allows the current to flow. The bulb glows and its light is further enhanced and directed by the reflector. This is how a torch works to produce electric light.